So here's the deal. I bought this seat and I paid a lot of money for this seat, and I waited all the way until my battery was charged from my GoPro before I could open this seat. So prior to this, I had, correct me if I'm wrong, it's a stock for I think a newer like 13, 14 Dyna. This is an 06, by the way, bike reveal I guess. But I've had this seat. Before I had this seat, I sat on a block of cheese. So this is gonna be the only ever Saddlemen I've ever sat on, and I'm just gonna open it right here in front of everybody. Bitch. I got the Saddlemen Step Up tuck and roll. Can you open, please? Thank you. And they package it pretty well, looks like. Oh, that's fucking sick. The ties and everything. Just rip the plastic. I got some stickers. Shout out to Saddlemen. What? Oh, I gotta fucking build this shit? Okay, well, I'm gonna cut to when I put the seat tang on then. Oh, shit, fuck. I really hope that I like this seat, because I really like this stock seat, so Saddlemen better be nice. Hey, easy with the dirt, buddy. I need to stiffen shocks. That bounced too much. I want my back to fucking hurt. Ow. I'm definitely not gonna get a set of Allens at DD discounts, but I might as well be. There's Harbor Freight right here. Tip number 1 of buying a Saddlemen seat: have some Allen wrenches handy. I did not, and it made for a really weird trip to Harbor Freight. Okay. So I just turn this around and screw back in. Alright, it's on. Alright, so I've never had a Saddlemen before. I've sat on a Saddlemen on like a Sportster, but no, I've never sat a Saddlemen on a Dyna. So looking at this seat, just stay, please, thank you. That's a stock Step Up compared to, fuck it, let's just jump into it. Let's get it. Alright, Saddlemen Step Up plus bike reveal. Okay, don't mind how filthy my bike is, but yeah, I'm gonna get you a first impression. I'm kind of happy with how it looks. I'm pretty satisfied. Why are you so dusty? I just got it. Okay, I haven't even kicked my leg over it yet. Oh, this feels different. This feels very different. I'm kind of higher up. Riding on sidewalks is illegal. I'm like higher up. I'm definitely higher up. This is weird. This is hella weird. I'm higher up. I'm a whole head over my fairing now. This is weird as I'm so confuzzled. So first impression, this seat is weird. I'm higher up off my foot pegs than the stock seat was. I feel like I'm kind of forward. Like I'm almost on my tank. But like I see how people could like it. It's comfortable. It's very comfortable. Oh, I guess he turned. Thought the sport bike guy was gonna come say hi, but fine then, if I don't want you in my video then. I cannot I cannot flat foot in the ground anymore. Like I can put my heels without my toes, or my toes without my heels in the ground, but flat footing is a no-no, or else I'm putting my leg on my exhaust. Same cop. I look like the same cop. Lurking in my mirrors right now, watching for that cop. What's up, dude? See, he said hi. You're nice. You're a nice sport bike guy. I like you. I'm going the speed limit. What happened? Oh shit, I was supposed to turn up right there. I just missed it. Whoops. Let me just make a U-turn. Act like I was supposed to do that. Keep out. Yeah, right. If you just put your head down and just pretend these palm trees aren't here, you don't feel them. Okay. Initial impression. It's different. I'm definitely happy with how it looks. Also, bike reveal, I guess, since I've never actually shown a full picture of my bike. So I'm just gonna cut this in because I forgot to do it earlier. Walk through with like my setup, despite how dirty, from top to bottom. What I've done: T-Sport fairing, 14-inch West Coast MXT bars. I have Vans grips. I just don't want to put them on. eBay handguards. These are Whiplash Speedco shorty levers. Mag wheels. I got those. I have Shinko 777 tires on them. The eBay gas cap gas gauge is another eBay part. Screaming Eagle intake, bunking front and rear crash bars. Live Free Cycles foot pegs. Check them out on Instagram. Check them out on Instagram at Live Free Cycles. Pretty cool. Bassani 2-in-1 pipe. I have this horn cover that I bought on JP Cycles because it was black. Don't quote me on this, but I think they're progressive 412 shocks, and I'm pretty sure they're 14-inch. I have the bunking lift kit on the bottom and the Saddlemen seat, integrated taillight. So that's the whole setup. Nothing special, just the best that I could do with what I have. It looks good. It's rideable. Of course, I can't give a full review on a seat that I put 1 mile on, so I guess you'll just have to stay tuned. It looks good. Definitely looks good. I'm gonna end the video here. Like, comment, subscribe, follow me on Instagram at BigManDuarte. Yeah, that's gonna do it. Okay, I'm gonna stop recording. I'm just gonna